Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the ellipse and hyperbola. So today I just use one example to illustrate in here. This is about the ellipse and I need to convert this equation to about the ellipse equation. So we have 41 and we have 16. So this one we put the 41 first. And we got about s power 2. In here we have 246. We use this number, you divide 41 and you got about the number we this is about 6. And in here we can see that we have s power 2 plus 6s. In this number we have number 2 multiplied with 3s. We need to convert to a plus b power 2. So this is about number 2 in here. And we have number 3, so this should be number 9. Because 9 is about number 3 in here. And we have 3 power 2 is about 9. The next one, we have y power 2 and we have 16 in here. We put 16 outside and we have y power 2. Because we have the minus, so that's why we put the minus. 192 we divide to 16. You got about 12y. In number 12y we divide to 2 and 6y in here. Because 2 multiplied with 6 is about 12. And number 6 in here, you should put about 36. Because 6 power 2 is about 36. Now, because we add small number, so that's why we need to minus the number in here. 41 multiplied with 9. You need to minus about 369. 16 multiplied with 36. You need to minus about 576. And we have 289 in here. We put in here. So this one we have s power 2 plus 2ab plus b power 2. And this is about 41. We have s plus 3 power 2. This number is same too. We have y power 2, so we have the y, we have the minus, we put the minus. This is about 6 power 2, so that's why y minus 6 is, you got this number. So you have the minus, and plus, you calculate this number. And we got about the minus 656 equal to 0. So we put the number to the right. So we got this number. Later that we divide equation with 656. 41 divided 656. You got about 16 in here. We got about 41. Now we just convert the equation to the ellipse equation. So we have the center. The center we have plus 3. So on the s, this is about the minus 3. Minus 6 is about number 6. So the next one, we need to find the vertex. Vertex is about the longest one. So we see that 41 is higher than 16. So the vertex in here is should be about the y, and we keep about the vertex is about -3 because it's about s, so we need to change about the y in here. So we put number 6 plus the square root of 41, because 41 is about b power 2, and we find the next one -3 and 6 from the center minus the square root 41. The next one is about 4c. 4c is about c power 2 equal to a power 2 minus 2b power 2. In this situation, we can see that b is 41, a is 16. So in this situation, we can change to b power 2 minus 2a power 2. And we have 41 minus 16. You got about 25. So the c in here should be about positive negative 5. In here we have the center, and we keep about the s in here because the y is the highest, so we need to change the y in here. We keep about the -3 from the center. 6 plus 5 is about 11, and 6 minus 5 you got about 1. So you find the 4c of the eclipse in here. The co-vertex is about the smallest one, so this is about 16. We keep about the y, so we got about 6 in here. We have the -3, and in here we have number 16. That is about a power 2 equal to 16, so that a is equal to positive negative 4. So we have -3 and -4 in here. You got about -7. We have -3 plus 4, you got about -1. So we just finished about find the center, vertex, 4c, and the co-vertex. The next one we have s power 2 minus 4y power 2 minus 4s minus 12 equal to 0. So in here we have s power 2 and minus 4s. So this one we put number 4 because we have a power 2 minus 2ab plus b power 2. We have the minus 4y power 2 in here. And because we plus 4, we need to minus 4. So this is about minus 4 with minus 12 is minus 16. This is the first one. We have s power 2 minus 4s plus 4. You got about s minus 2 power 2. And we keep our minus 4y power 2. This number move to the right. The next one, we divide the equation for the 16, and we got about s minus 2 power 2 divided to 16. Y power 2 divided to 4, and this one become to number 1. So now we convert the equation in here to about hyperbola. Now we need to find the center. We have the minus 2, so the center should be about number 2. We have y power 2, but there is no number, so this is about 0 in here. So you can see that the 16 is higher than number 4. So this one is about the vertex. This one is about co-vertex. We have 16 is about 4 power 2. So we have number 2 in here. we plus number 4 is about 6 and 0. We have 16 is about 4 power 2, so we have the minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is about minus 2. 4c is about c power 2 equal to a power 2 plus b power 2. So this is about the formula for the 4c in the hyperbola. We have 16 and we have 4, and that's about 20. And in here we have the square root of the c power 2 of the square root 20. You got about positive and negative. So you got about positive and negative 2 square root of 5. Now the 4c, we can see that this number is higher than number 4, so we use the number 2. We just plus and minus 2 square root of 5, and we got about 2 plus 2 square root of 5 in here. And the next one, 2 minus 2 square root of 5. So we just find the 4c in here. Co-vertex is about the smallest one. We have 2 and 0. We keep number 2 in here. We have 4 is about 2 power 2. We have 0. We have minus 2. And then this one is about 2. Because 4 is about a power 2 equal to 4. So we got about a equal to positive negative 2. That's why we got minus 2 and 2 from the 0 in the center. About the asymptotes, we have 2 asymptotes in the hyperbola. So we use about positive and the negative b divided to a. And we have s minus 2 in here because that's about the center of s. B is about 4, A is about 16. So we put about in here. We simplify this number and we got about positive negative 1 over 4. That's the end. Thank you for watching.